Kasi may towels ka. Baka di yun na
binalik.
baka di yun na binalik.
Sir, kailan natin guys?
Ay, di po.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Room 271, good morning. 271 inside. Tapos pwede not the corner. First order of business is breakfast. Again, my favorite breakfast buffet so far is this sa Sea Breeze. So, kailangan nyo talagang puntahan to. Very, very sulit. So, over to the Wise. They don't have bacon every day. They do it every other day, right? Ham, bacon, ham, bacon, ham, bacon. Ganun. Pero both of them are good naman. Anyway, so, yeah. And they also vary their their choices, their dishes every day, which is good para hindi na nanawa yung mga tao. I noticed, no? So like today, there's corned beef hash. Wala yung tapa, so nag-iiba-iba sila. So pero both of them are good. Hindi ko na try yung corned beef, pero yung tapa was really good. Yan, tingnan natin ang kinuha ni Nim for today.
Wala to. Ooh. Same nung buffet day 1. Ham, longganisa, skinless longganisa, hot dog. Ito pala mga bago. Meron silang corned beef, omelette, and then pinagsabay ko, pandesal, tsaka rice. Papalaman ko yung rice. Okay. Tapos, 3 banana. Wala kasi nito nito. Diba? Love it. As we're waiting for coffee, black coffee muna tayo. Love it.
Yum.
Ang ganda ng vibe, ang tahimik lang. Tapos kapili pa tayo ng upuan.
Yum in our tum-tums. Kain muna kami, ah.
Checking out.
To travel by Klook is by far the most convenient way to go to Boracay. So now we're going home, diba? So the process is you will just wait in the lobby and then they will fetch you, they will pick you up and then bring you to the Cagban port ulit. Just the reverse nung una. So let's do a time check. It's 8:57. We're just waiting for the van to come in and then let's see what time we'll arrive at the airport. I like your shirt. Fit check.
Fit check. Shirt by my partner. He bought it sa Pull & Bear. Shorts is, I think this is from Uniqlo. And then Crocs from NLEX Crocs. NLEX Crocs. Pinakamagaslo na OOTD. Tara 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 ta 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 tara 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 ta. Magaslo.
Push mo yan.
Thank you. Southwest.
On the boat to the jetty port. It's 9:31 with a 5-minute slight delay due to a collision with a tricycle. Pero okay naman. So it took about 30 minutes to be on the boat. On the boat. See you later. Time check. Ay, nawala tuloy. It's 9:48. So that was about a 15-minute boat ride from Cagban port to the jetty port. And now we're on the bus. We were on the boat, now we're on the bus. Yeah, good. Let's see. On the way na to the airport. Let's go.
Ano feeling mo na wala na tayo sa Boracay?
Baba na ako.
Ako din, balik na tayo. Take us back.
It's okay, that was a good vacation. I actually miss home. And I miss my friends. I miss pickleball. Hi. Yun lang.
Daming tao. I'll be Kichi for a while. Kichi D. Explain ko ba kung sino siya? Manood kayo nung first Boracay vlog namin. Day 1.
Later. Time check, it's 10:07. So it just took us roughly more than an hour. Hi. A little over an hour to arrive at the airport from the hotel. Bilis, diba? And very, very convenient through Klook. So, huwag niyo nang pag-isipan pa yun. We're just waiting for the flight. See you later.
Heading home.
Three, two, one, go. And we're home. So we left Boracay at 10 a.m. 10 a.m.? No. We left the hotel at 9 a.m. And we left the airport at 12 noon. We arrived in Manila at 1 p.m., 1-ish, 2 p.m. And we arrived home at 3. So yan, yun yung journey namin. And then we're home. So, and I can definitely say home, sweet home. I missed home. Pero napakainit sa Pilipinas. Ano nangyari? Ay, galing pala tayong Pilipinas din. Ang init! Ang init!
Energy naman masyado.
It's so hot today. It's Thursday, by the way. So, yan. Before you proceed, I absolutely loved our trip. It was a welcome rest from all the busyness. Yan. And natuwa ako. Sobrang nakakatuwa yung trip na yun. One for the books, definitely. One for the books, no?
Yeah.
I loved it. And what else?
May mga na-realize ka ba during your trip?
Yes. That, sinabi ko na rin yata in one of the vlogs, that you need to really make time for travel. No? Not just rest, but travel. It doesn't have to be another country. It could be not even a plane ride away. Pwedeng La Union, let's say, diba? Just to change your environment for a bit. No?
May iba yung view mo.
May iba yung view mo, may iba yung makita mo, marami kang makita yung mga tao, you interact with other people, and go people watching like what he does, di ba? Yun, importante para talaga na you make time for travel. I have forgotten that kasi before during the whole pandemic thing, di ba? So thank you for reminding me about that we need to travel. So siya kasi yung masigasig mag-arrange for travel. Now I know, kailangan talaga make time for it. Also, before I turn it over, if you have been thinking about going back to Boracay, which I have been thinking about before, this is your sign to go for it. Boracay is as beautiful as ever. Maganda pa rin talaga siya, and you'll definitely enjoy your time there. So, yun. Go for it. Sign mo na to.
Ooh. So, Boracay is highly recommended.
Yes.
Highly recommended.
Yes.
Na-realize ko yung, tas na-mention ko sa ito Boracay feels like Japan. Japan in the sense that safe siya. Pwede mong iwan yung gamit mo sa beach, along the beach, and hindi siya mawawala. Marami kang makikitang security, marami kang makikitang police, and talagang yung mga tao hindi papansin yung gamit mo. Yung ganun yung behavior dun sa Japan. And also, malinis.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Malinis talaga yung tubig, malinis yung sa sand, malinis yung sa mga hotels. As in, kaya ko siya na-compare sa Japan kasi ganun yung experience ko when we were in Japan. So, pwede naman pala sa Pilipinas, di ba? Na you'll feel safe. And, ano ba? Yung sa Boracay kasi, di ba, it's a summer vibes na travel destination. So, you're expected to have parang topless ka. Parang for guys topless ka. And for women, maganda yung katawan mo. Pero na-realize ko that having a great partner na talagang binuboost yung confidence mo will not mind kung anong sabihin ng ibang tao. Parang kasi before, nahiya ako, magkasando ako, mag-t-shirt ako. Parang napansin ko lang siya nung patapos na yung trip namin that nakatopless ako. Minsan yun, nakatopless ako sa mga photos namin or other videos. And then naka-open yung polo ko.
Yeah.
Parang
hindi ka ganun before.
Hindi to travel related, parang relationship related na siya na nangyari na magandang so sa mga in relationship there, boost the confidence of your partner para she or he can wear anything you want.
Yes, no one would care, diba? Who cares? As long as you dress appropriately. I don't know mag-topless ka sa Green Hills o sa dapat hindi din ganun, diba? It was Boracay, so of course, naturally, you should go and wear anything that you want except gowns. Diba? So, be naked as you can be kasi it's a beach. So, go. Nice to know. Thanks for telling me that.
Ooh. And lastly, for Boracay, talagang hindi siya food destination. So don't expect yung mga, wala siyang, when you think of Boracay, wala kang maisip na, ito para sa kanila. Ito,
you're going there for the beach.
You're going there for the vibe,
Sure.
for the beach, for nature to heal you. Di ba may gano'n?
And for you to swim, learn to swim.
Correct, di ba? Di ba sabi nga nila, healing yung waves.
Yeah,
it's true.
Totoo.
So, good waves as good sand is a great combination. Kaya Boracay is highly recommended.
Yes.
So hopefully makabalik kami ulit ba?
Soon. Yeah, soon.
Yeah.
Kasi also it's just a 1 hour travel or less pa nga, diba? So very convenient, napakagaling. So I love Boracay.
Yeah.
My rekindled love for Boracay. Thank you. That's it. Haba na.
I hope you like our vlog.
So until the next one, like and subscribe and watch out for the next one. Bye guys.